To address these issues, SAO Agro is making ambitious strides to revitalize the sector by ramping up production to surpass the 50% shortfall of local demands on a 20,000-hectare oil palm estate in Ore, Ondo State, Nigeria. This is poised to be the largest palm plantation in Nigeria, and it will empower over 100,000 smallholder farms by the year 2025 to produce 160,000 tons of oil palm annually, thereby reducing the massive reliance on oil palm importation. These farmers will all be provided with genetically improved seedlings for quality outputs and higher yields. SAO Agro, in its commitment to clean energy, has parts of its infrastructure powered with solar energy. Additionally, this project will also reduce unemployment and crime rates in the local communities, as it will provide jobs for over 10,000 indigents who would work in different capacities on the farm. SAO Agro's drive is to develop a palm industry that not only caters to local production, but is also self-reliant enough to export to different parts of the world. By empowering farmers today, we are taking significant steps towards increased production tomorrow. We are on this quest, and we believe it will yield great results. Visit www.saoagro.com to see more impact.